Hi there, today I have a short video for you to show you some of the things that you can find in Disney World for free. I'm going to start off with Disney's Boardwalk Resort. This is over near Epcot and it's a beautiful resort that anyone can just go and have a wander around and explore. The evening entertainment is especially fun.
Gentlemen, boys and girls, showtime. Thank you very much, everybody. Thank you.
There's so much to see around here. It's really beautiful. There's stores, you've got a pizzeria that you can actually order and take out. There's a bakery, there's an ice cream place. It's just so much fun, so much to see and do. And you get beautiful views of the Beach and Yacht Club over on the other side, and you can walk to Epcot from here as well. You don't have to pay to come and visit as it's one of the resorts. Anyone can just come and have a nose. It's really worthwhile. And at 9 o'clock in the evening, you can come and stand on the bridge here and watch the fireworks from Epcot. It's not the perfect view, but it is still really fun, a really nice atmosphere, and it's free. You don't have to pay to go into the park to see this. I'm going to stay with evening entertainment and head over to Disney Springs. Again, this is free, even parking is free, and you can just wander around. It's a really fun atmosphere and there's some really fun things going on. There's lots of stores, lots of places to eat, restaurants, just quick grab and go places to get nice food. There's music, there's just all kinds of things going on, and again the atmosphere is really good. The transportation within Disney is free. You can take a boat. This particular one is from Disney Springs and takes you over to Port Orleans, where there's the Riverside Resort and the French Quarters. It's a really lovely way to spend a couple of hours. The boat trips are really short. You just hop on and hop off, and they come really regular. You can visit any of the Disney resorts for free. You're welcome to wander around and have a look. They all have their own little stores and places to eat. They are all very different and worth going to have a look around. This is where we found some of our favourite places to stay purely by exploring. Many of them have different things for sale and also foods to try that you can't buy anywhere else. It's really worth having a look and going to explore these different resorts. The Deluxe Resorts are really worth exploring as well. They are just so beautiful. I keep using the word beautiful. The Disney resorts really are. Wander around the grounds. We love going into the quick serve, grabbing coffee and cakes, and just enjoying everywhere where we are. It's just really fun to wander and take it all in. Every resort has a different smell, there's different stores, and like I said before, it's all free just to wander around and be nosy. From some of the deluxe resorts over by Magic Kingdom, that's the Grand Floridian, the Polynesian and the Contemporary, you can actually take the monorail around, which is also something else that's free to do and really fun. It can get quite busy in the evenings, but it's a free ride and it's just fun. The monorail does also go over to Epcot as well, so you could do a really good trip from the Grand Floridian through the resorts and get off at Epcot if you wanted. Usually on our last day of our holiday before we head to the airport, we tend to go to the parks, one of the parks, to have a final park day. This year though, or last year I should say, we did actually go to the Wilderness Lodge to explore. It's another deluxe resort. And we'd never been here before. We loved it so much. Again, we just wandered, we had a look in the shop, we wandered outside, we grabbed some lunch at the quick serve. It was such a nice way to spend a few hours, and in fact we loved it so much we've ended up extending our stay this year, and we've ended up tagging on an extra couple of days to our trip just to stay here. That's how much we loved it. If you have the Disney Ultimate Pass, the miniature golf is also included. This means you can come and use, there's I think 3 different golf courses. There's the Winter Summerland, which has the winter and the summer version, and then there's also another golf course near Epcot. This one is called Disney's Fantasia Gardens, and they are really fun. With the ultimate passes, you can use the golf courses for free before 4 o'clock in the afternoon. With your Disney passes, you also get the photos included. This also includes the photo booths. There's a few of these scattered around. This particular one is on the boardwalk. There is another one by Space Mountain. Our kids love these. Just be aware that you can see the photo screen from the outside. But they don't come printed anymore like they used to, but they are saved to My Disney Experience, so you can print them off when you're home. Something that's on our list every trip is a visit to Club Cool. Now, you do need to pay to get into Epcot first, but once you're in, there's a really cool little place. It's sponsored by Coca-Cola called Club Cool, and you get to try lots of different types of Coca-Cola for free, and it's really fun. Our kids love this, but beware, not all of them are pleasant. It's also a really good place for an aircon stop on a really hot day. Yeah, it's got that kind of tang to it.
The Zimbabwe one.
Nice, Louis?
Nope.
As we always like to do when we're visiting Disney is go and have a wander around Disney's Celebration. This is a community area near Disney, and it's really, I'm going to say it again, beautiful. We love to spend a morning here or an afternoon. We visited for the evening. There's lots of little restaurants, cafes. There's a really nice ice cream place, and there's a splash pad for the kids, beautiful walks. There's the hotel. There's just really a nice place to come and relax. It's nice to get away from that Disney bubble. There's also quite a lot of wildlife, so it's really fun having some wildlife spotting sessions. So I've come to the end of my things to do for free in Disney video. I really hope that you've enjoyed this. I hope it's been helpful. I think people are often surprised that you are allowed to walk around the Disney resorts. I think especially if you are new to Disney, you almost feel like you're trespassing, but you're more than welcome to do that, and it's obviously a really good way to kind of research to where you possibly may want to stay in the future, so I highly recommend it. And of course, if I've missed anything off, if you know something else that's free to do in Disney, please leave a comment below. Myself and other people watching would also love to know. I hope you've enjoyed this video today. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new to my channel, please do subscribe, and I will see you soon. Thank you. Bye.